In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a live trading account on Oanda. So you can do this both on the website or on the Oanda app, and I'm on the app today. So what we can do is we can head over, and if we are on the app, you can select a live account. Now, once you select live account, click on open live, and then this will then bring you over to this page. Now, do you live in the United Kingdom? Obviously this will show whatever country that you live in, so you want to select yes for the country that you live in. You can then click on confirm and continue. Now we need to enter in our email address and password, and then once we enter in that information, if we scroll down, you can select I consent, and then you will then just wait a couple of seconds for this to process, and then once it has processed, it will allow you to move on to the next step. So as you can see, please do not press back or refresh, and that is important. So what we now need to do is we need to enter in our personal details, and this needs to be our correct personal details, just for the simple fact is if you are wanting to withdraw and you are wanting to deposit money onto Oanda, this will be obviously in your personal government name. So what we need to do is we need to enter in our personal name. We then need to enter in our date of birth and also a mobile phone number. Now make sure that this is all correct, and then you can select confirm and continue. And then you want to select your nationality. Now if we go ahead and select United Kingdom, you can then enter in your national insurance number or the equivalent from your country. Now, once you enter in this information, just simply select confirm and continue. And then what you can now do is enter in your address. So once we enter in our address, have you lived at this address for more than 3 years? If you have, you can select yes. If you haven't, you can also select no. So I will click on yes, select confirm and continue. And then you want to enter in your employment details. So this is just information about your job and about your employment. Now, once you enter in your information, you'll be able to continue. Sometimes if it shows that you do not earn enough, they won't allow you to actually open a trading account. So you need to keep this in mind when you are creating a trading account. Once you have entered in the information, select confirm and continue. And then you can go ahead and enter in your trading experience. So you can just be truthful in here and just say what sort of trading experience you have, whether you're a beginner, intermediate or advanced. Again, once you enter in all of this information, select confirm and continue, and then you can go through the knowledge assessment. So once you've gone through the knowledge test, which is just a sequence of trading questions, you can then go down to the bottom, click on confirm and continue. And as you can see, it will now say, please wait while we save your details. And this is pretty much the whole application completed. Now, once you complete the application, as you can see, you can go through and double check all this. And lastly, what you need to do is just show some proof of identity. Now, this can be a passport, driving license, or a photo ID. Now, once you have proved your identity, this will then allow you to create the account, and you will then be able to start trading with Oanda.